Okay, you all remember the house that we live in. And you remember Steph. And you remember this little one. Look at what she's doing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Nino. Nino Brown.
Ready to get up and walk off.
Are you standing up, Kissy Coo? Look at she's standing with her strong legs. Say hi, Tata. How are you doing? Say hi, Tata. How are you doing?
Give your little legs a rest.
You smiling for Daddy? Oh, you smiling for Tata? Okay, please. Say hi, Tata. Hi, Tata. Say hi, Tata. How are you doing? I love you, Tata. I love you, Amachi. I love you so much, you guys. Oh yeah, and the monkey sister of yours. What's her name? Monkey Shamila. Oh, Auntie Shamila. Okay. Look at those lips. Look at those cheeks. Look at those nose. Look at her nose. She's a beautiful baby girl. Beautiful baby girl. Say hi, Nia. Nia. Say hi. Say hi, Uncle Turesh. Say hi, Uncle Turesh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah, I didn't buy a gift for you, but get me back in 18 years. I'll buy you something then. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I love you guys. You're the best. Coochie poo. Love you, Lou. Man. Oh yeah. And not to forget Mom.
Hello.
Love you guys. Bye.